Hello YouTube, Logan here. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to build and testing my DIY wooden trailer. So first thing we're going to look into is these tires. I got them off of some old RC buggy. I remember in one of my older videos I put those tires on the D12, which works pretty well. But right now they're doing their epic job of kind of providing a little bit of suspension for the trailer, and it runs really freely. Because I have these nails with a couple of washers on the inside, kind of as like spacers to keep it looking nice. Then I added some metal bars along the outside. I hot glued a couple of them in just to make sure they stood in. Then I threaded in like this little L hook. What that does is it latches and unlatches the trailer. Just like that. I have this cute little hinge in here, and I think you guys know what that is. This is the part I don't like, and this is the tongue of the trailer. Now, in real life, the trailer would be made out of sturdy material. Quite sturdy material. And this is not, unfortunately. It was the only thing I could find. It's just a bit of aluminum rod, but it does the job. It's a little bouncy. And now, since we kind of have the idea of what I made the trailer of, and this is just plywood I found, by the way. I just cut it to be the size of the SCX-24. That's why I used it to haul, but it can haul other stuff. By the way, I also installed a light kit on the truck. What I did was I just threaded in a same WPL screw. I put in a small washer, and then I put in a bigger washer just to make sure that this didn't slip. I also have this other little piece of aluminum rod, which makes it so that it kind of crimps this little hole together, so then it doesn't widen up over here, so then the whole trailer doesn't slide forward. You could mount it somewhere else on this truck, but I didn't want to ruin my body since I love this thing so much. And it's relatively easy to put on too. But that's basically it for how I built it, how it attaches, how it works. And I'll show you how cute the little SCX-24 looks on there as well. There you go. So, all in all, this trailer is super good for the money. If you can just find like a little bit of plywood on the side of the road, maybe just find an extra hinge and a couple screws lying around in your little toolbox. Maybe just find, maybe even some just copper wire, since I did take this out of a wire. Just lying around the house. If you have a couple extra wheels, like the D12 wheels, I know they would look great on there. You can build this trailer. It's super cheap. It works super well, as you've seen in my cute little montage of the D12 pulling the SCX-24 and stuff like that, pulling all those heavy rocks. This thing works really well. Just make sure you have a strong tongue on the front of it, unlike mine. But that was the only thing I had at the time, so I don't consider it to be too bad. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.